All right, work smarter, not harder, folks. What in the world? They're catching heavy sandbags. Here we go. Start stacking them like Tetris. Logan Paul would be proud. The Tetris King, the newfound Tetris Prince. Here we go. Stack, stack, stack. Dude, how high are they dropping them from? Where's that coming from? The sky? What is it, raining sand? Oh, they're coming out that little spout right there. Honestly, didn't even see that the first time. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, this is the smarter part. Yep. Right. Here we go. He's going to start dish him off. Bang. Bang. Hopefully those things don't come too fast. He's going to catch a blowback of the century. Bang. Those bags look heavier than him. I mean, that's not a backhanded comment at all, but dude, should get somebody more girthy up there, somebody more beefy, so they don't get blown back by one of those bags. Those look like heavy. If you know how heavy those bags are,